just looked at her. By then she was on her back, and he raised the gun and he shot her again in the head. And that one I saw.
Good evening, everyone. Testimony today from the mother-in-law of a man accused of not only shooting her, but also killing her daughter at a Grand Chute home a little more than a month ago.
38-year-old Scott Schmidt is accused of killing his estranged wife. He's a former Appleton firefighter, and today it was decided that he will stand trial. In court, Schmidt's mother-in-law described in chilling details what happened at the couple's home in April. Fox 11's Evan Perrault has this follow-up.
Wearing buttons and ribbons of support, family and friends of Kelly Wing Schmidt filled Outagamie County Court for Scott Schmidt's preliminary hearing. He's accused of gunning down his mother-in-law and killing his estranged wife in the driveway of their Grand Chute home in April. The mother-in-law, Barbara Wing, took the stand to recount that April 17th morning as she entered the home.
I remember Kelly yelling from the bathroom, "Mom, get the kids and get out. He's got a gun and he's going to shoot you too."
She says she yelled at Schmidt. He came out of the bathroom with a gun. Kelly ran outside and Schmidt followed. And then she heard a shot. She testified she went outside, saw Kelly on the ground, and went to approach Schmidt.
And as I walked up to him, he just calmly raised the gun and shot me.
She says the bullet hit her in the chest, and then she says he turned the gun again on her daughter.
He just looked at her. By then she was on her back, and he raised the gun and he shot her again in the head. And that one I saw.
She says she then ran into the house and called 911. Out of a window, she says she saw Schmidt drag her daughter's body across the driveway, then sit down next to her. And when police arrived,
he was sitting there smoking a cigarette.
Wing says she made her way outside and asked the responding officer if she could hold the gun, which was now laying in the driveway.
With the intent to shoot Mr. Schmidt?
I don't know what I intended at that point. I cannot say that I could ever kill anybody. I just saw it laying there, and my reaction was, can't I just hold it for a second?
Schmidt will enter his plea June 16th. In Outagamie County, Evan Perrault, Fox 11 News.
After the hearing, the DA said she does expect the issue of competency to come up again. Earlier this month, Schmidt was found competent to stand trial. His attorney left without commenting today.